Cockpit enables you to gather information related to the generation of an e-invoice or an e-way bill from single UI. Data related to the billing accounting invoices can be selected for processing through the cockpit. A user-friendly UI enables you to view the data for the adequate billing documents. The relevant hyperlinks enables you to jump in the appropriate display transactions. In the cockpit, you can create an e-invoice through GSP interface, cancel an e-invoice through GSP interface, export/import the e-invoice data in Excel or JSON formats for manual processing. Easy and GST IRP compliant export in Excel. User can subsequently import the data in the IRP portal manually for generation of IRN. Easy and GST IRP compliant export in JSON. User can subsequently import the data in the IRP or GSP portal manually for generation of IRN. You can select one or multiple documents for generation of IRN. Data related to the selected documents is validated and exported to the GSP in real time through API calls. The exported data is validation by the GSP before submitting the data to the IRP for earn generation. The data of the generated IRN and QR code is received in real time from the GSP and stored in SAP with reference to the documents. The entire cycle takes place in real time within a fraction of a second. As the data of IRN QR code is stored in SAP with reference to the billing document, you have the possibility of generating GST-compliant invoice printouts with QR codes.